I feel the situation, and sometimes we may face many situations and many causes of the conflict, revolution, and many complexity and many things. Maybe in a boring time now, we are doing what we have to do, and we don't want to, or maybe in many cases, losing time or missing parts and some brokening anything. And how can we skip it? One at a time, I think we face the situation. One at a time, we think this is a game. If this is a game, the only thing we need to do is prepare the tool. When it comes to life game, we need to prepare the skill sets. We are not the same, and our goal may be not the same. So what skill we need to learn? To face as much as we can the skill sets, the tool to fight for the game. The two big game in potential career or in relationship, something like that. It's not a relationship, and there may be. And the last one is we also need to. It's so sad to talk about it, but it's the truth. The last one is we also need to prepare for the end game. We don't know what will happen in any time. Tomorrow might anything happen, but we are still keep going, something like that. Prepare for the game and prepare for the end game. And don't forget that peace of mind and the state of mind. When we feel many situations, we may feel many things happen, maybe the happy situation or the sad situation. We don't know, even we are still lucky. We have the phone to play and watch. We still have the right to eat, and we can talking something like that about now. And we may go the day by day in the situation if we face. Don't forget the state of mind, and we practice peace of mind, the only solution for the end game. And during the game, we learning, prepare the skill for the game every single day. Maybe every single day may be a little bit so hard or something like that, but actually there's only 24 hours. Today and tomorrow only 24 hours. You love it or not, it's only 24 hours. You are happy, 24 hours. You are sad, 24 hours. You can cry the 3 days, something like that. Now our conversation is maybe missing out. So, one in situation, don't forget that this is a game. And now, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for now, and goodbye, and bye for now. Love you soon.